Algorand value equivalent to $0.1858 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $0.1805, $0.1882. The earlier day close: $0.1866. The change was 0.0008, 0.43%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, and 2028. Algorand estimate for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.14. Excessive cost 0.17, while low cost 0.14. The normal for the month 15 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 16 cents, change for April 14.3%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at $0.16. Excessive cost 0.18, while low cost 0.16. The normal for the month 17 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 17 cents, change for May 6.3%. Algorand conjecture for June 2024. At the outset cost at $0.17. Excessive cost 0.20, while low cost 0.17. The normal for the month 18 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 19 cents, change for June 11.8%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.19. Exorbitant cost 0.21, while low cost 0.19. The normal for the month 20 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 20 cents, change for July 5.3%. Algorand gauge for August 2024. In the first place cost at $0.20. Exorbitant cost 0.21, while low cost 0.19. The normal for the month 20 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 20 cents, change for August 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at $0.20. Exorbitant cost 0.22, while low cost 0.20. The normal for the month 21 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 21 cents, change for September 5.0%. Algorand figure for October 2024. Initially cost at $0.21. Excessive cost 0.24, while low cost 0.20. The normal for the month 22 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 22 cents, change for October 4.8%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at $0.22. Excessive cost 0.25, while low cost 0.21. The normal for the month 23 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 23 cents, change for November 4.5%. Algorand estimate for December 2024. To start with cost at $0.23. Exorbitant cost 0.25, while low cost 0.21. The normal for the month 23 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 23 cents, change for December 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at $0.23. Excessive cost 0.25, while low cost 0.21. The normal for the month 23 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 23 cents, change for January 0.0%. Algorand figure for February 2025. Before all else cost at $0.23. Excessive cost 0.29, while low cost 0.23. The normal for the month 26 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 27 cents, change for February 17.4%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2025. Initially cost at $0.27. Excessive cost 0.30, while low cost 0.26. The normal for the month 28 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 28 cents, change for spring 3.7%. Algorand conjecture for April 2025. At the outset cost at $0.28. Excessive cost 0.31, while low cost 0.27. The normal for the month 29 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 29 cents, change for April 3.6%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at $0.29. Exorbitant cost 0.31, while low cost 0.27. The normal for the month 29 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 29 cents, change for May 0.0%. Algorand figure for June 2025. Before all else cost at $0.29. Excessive cost 0.36, while low cost 0.29. The normal for the month 32 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 34 cents, change for June 17.2%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.34. Excessive cost 0.34, while low cost 0.27. The normal for the month 31 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 29 cents, change for July 14.7%. Algorand estimate for August 2025. To start with cost at $0.29. Exorbitant cost 0.33, while low cost 0.29. The normal for the month 31 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 31 cents, change for August 6.9%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at $0.31. Excessive cost 0.31, while low cost 0.24. The normal for the month 28 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 26 cents, change for September 16.1%. Algorand gauge for October 2025. In the first place cost at $0.26. Exorbitant cost 0.26, while low cost 0.20. The normal for the month 24 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 22 cents, change for October 15.4%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.22. Exorbitant cost 0.22, while low cost 0.17. The normal for the month 20 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 18 cents, change for November 18.2%. Algorand conjecture for December 2025. At the outset cost at $0.18. Excessive cost 0.20, while low cost 0.18. The normal for the month 19 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 19 cents, change for December 5.6%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at $0.19. Exorbitant cost 0.19, while low cost 0.17. The normal for the month 18 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 18 cents, change for January 5.3%. Algorand figure for February 2026. Initially cost at $0.18. Excessive cost 0.18, while low cost 0.14. The normal for the month 16 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 15 cents, change for February